In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to block iMessage on your iPhone. Whether you're dealing with an unwanted conversation or simply need a break from a persistent contact, knowing how to block iMessages can come in handy. Don't worry, I'll guide you through each step of the process, making sure everything is clear and easy to follow, so you can get back to a more peaceful experience with your phone. Let's get started. The first thing you need to do is open the Messages app on your iPhone. It's probably one of the apps you use most frequently, so it should be easy to find on your home screen. Once you have it open, look through your list of conversations and find the one with the person you wish to block. Tap on that conversation to open it up. With the conversation now open, you'll want to focus your attention at the top of the screen where you can see the contact's name or number. Go ahead and tap on it, it will bring up further options. After that, you need to tap on the info button. This is usually indicated by a small I in a circle and will give you access to more details about that contact. Scrolling down in this info menu will reveal various options, and what you're looking for here is the block this caller option. It's important to note that this setting doesn't just block iMessages. When you block a contact, it restricts their ability to send you regular text messages as well as FaceTime and regular phone calls. This is a comprehensive way to ensure you're not disturbed by this contact across multiple platforms on your device. Once you've found block this caller, tap it. Your iPhone will then prompt you to confirm your decision to block this contact. Go ahead and tap on block contact to finalize your choice. And there you have it. You've successfully blocked someone from sending you iMessages as well as regular texts, FaceTime calls and phone calls. This method provides a simple, efficient way to manage your communications and keep your phone interactions precisely how you want them. Remember, if you ever change your mind and wish to unblock the contact, you can always reverse these steps by heading back into the info section of their contact card. I hope this tutorial helps you regain control of your messaging experience and gives you peace of mind in managing your communications. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials.